There's no business that can thrive without proper project management. Today, you'll learn what it takes to manage projects, how it works, how it's done, examples, and even a free template that I'll link somewhere up in the description. My project management software. When you manage a project, you need to keep tabs on multiple aspects of a business, whether it's your business or a client's. This means keeping record of all your projects and which clients are related to them. Having a separate workspace for each project is very important because that helps you pick things up from different places, but you always know where they are. That way everything stays in this place and you can always find things easily. Organization. Managing a project requires good organizational skills, overseeing aspects with a bird's eye view, knowing what's going on in every phase of the project, keeping tabs on who's doing what and when they're doing it. What software should you use? One important aspect I want to mention is that you should first off find the right tool to manage your projects. Don't just take any trending software that everybody seems to be using and that you see videos about. Some businesses use Trello, others use Asana. Others like me use Notion or Active Collab when I have a client that's not really tech savvy. And others use ClickUp. I suggest you find the one that serves your needs. Not more, not less. Having more features than you need will just burden your ability to properly organize assets and timelines and such. Now, I love Notion because it provides exactly what you need because you can customize pretty much anything. Collaborative aspects, whether it's a calendar view, Kanban view, timeline, regular tables for databases, you can pretty much do anything you want. The only caveat is that you have to learn how to use it. So you need to play with it, and then at some point you'll learn how to build a solid workspace. Or you can also watch my YouTube tutorials for Notion for digital marketing. I show you step by step how to create a workspace on there. Links somewhere here. You can also download the free template if you want. Now, what's considered successful management? Satisfying your clients and team is crucial to management. This means emotional intelligence skills are really helpful. When a project runs smoothly, everybody's on the same page and the workflow is going as planned. This is what we call successful project management in short. Communication and collaboration. Another important thing is establishing easy ways to communicate and collaborating. When you need to go through different apps or different communication methods just to communicate with or collaborate with different people, it gets tiring and it breaks off the workflow. You want to ensure that every member is on the same platform, and if that platform is the same one as your workspace platform, then that's even better. In Notion, you can add comments anywhere on the page, or you can dedicate comments to the section at the top of the page. That's very useful to keeping your focus. Now, assets and deliverables. Knowing when deliverables need to be completed, whether it's your task or someone else's, where they should go and where you should pick up any assets needed to deliver the project or the task. Knowing when they should be delivered, timelines, deadlines, these should be set by the project manager. And when you're a digital marketer, you're the one managing the project, unless you hire an employee or a freelancer. But it's rarely something that you'll outsource. Budgets. Budgets are important to keep track of because they determine what resources you can allocate to this project. The size of the website, the amount of tasks that can be done by paid employees, for example, or the amount of dollars that can go towards campaigns like Google Ads or email marketing. That's why budgeting is one of the first things you need to determine. Doing that with the client, obviously, or with the team if it's your own project. Thanks for sticking through the whole video. If you've enjoyed your stay, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. You'll get notified every time I get a new video out, and the series is not done yet. It's a whole series on digital marketing for a career path, and you can start from video number 1, and this is number 9 or 8. Yeah, this is number 8. All right, take care, guys.